What is the meaning of equity in the stock market? What exactly are equity trading and equity investing? Today, in this video, we'll know the answer to these questions. So watch this short video attentively so that you can understand what is an equity. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. What is equity? Let's know what is an equity. Friends, the meaning of equity is an ownership of any business. We know that to buy shares of a company means buying a small part of that company. And in the language of investing, we call this small part an equity. We can say that. We buy equity in a company by purchasing shares of that company. Let's understand this by an example. Suppose 5 friends started a company together. All 5 of them invested 2 crore Rs each and started the company with 10 crore Rs. During the company's legal registration, they divided the company into 1 crore shares. Furthermore, they decided that everyone will work equally for the company, and thus they divided the partnership of the company equally among them. In this way, every founder of the company gets 20 lakh shares from 1 crore shares. So friends, here we will say that 100% ownership or equity of the company is with the founder of the company, the total value of which is currently Rs 10 crore. Since there are 5 founders of the company, so everyone will have 20% equity. Now let us assume that after some time, they needed 5 crore Rs for the company's development. For this, the founders sold 50% equity, 50 lakh shares of the company in an IPO, and raised a total of Rs 5 crore from the public. Now, friends, we can see here that the company sold 50 lakh shares in the IPO, which was equal to the total 50% equity of the company. This means that the company sold its 1% equity in every 1 lakh shares in the IPO. If we buy 1 lakh shares of this company, then we will buy 1% equity in this company, and we will own 1% of this company. So, in investing, the equity indicates nothing but the ownership of a company. Companies divide their equity into shares and sell them to the public. An investor will have as much equity of a company as many shares she buys. This is the reason why often stock market is called equity market stock. Investing is called equity investing, and stock trading is called equity trading. Always keep in mind that whenever we buy stocks of a company, we buy equity in that company. Ending. So friends, this was our today's short video on equity. Today we learned in this video, what does equity mean in investing? If you liked this video, please like and share this video so that everyone can learn about the stock market. If you want to ask any question related to this video, then write it in the comment box below. We will answer your questions in our Q&A video. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys. See you now in the next video. Take care.